Good evening all. I am Elmawati from class KG 201. On this occasion, I will present topic of business progress in company.
The flow of business development has increased quite sharply at this time. This condition is likened to one that grows 1,000. When one business goes bankrupt, business in the same field began to emerge. Development in the business world must be welcomed because it will directly expand the country. On the other hand, the statutory reserves will also increase. However, business people are often afraid because business development leads to quite tight competition, especially for business abroad operating in the same field. There are times when the business also becomes stuck or stops suddenly. In order for your business to grow, do the following tips. Firstly, tips performing performance measurement every year. Business card development can be known by assessing the business as a whole, starting from the management unit, production, finance to marketing. Everything must be corrected thoroughly to find out the performance measures that have been carried out during a certain period. Performance appraisal or measurement can be used as a guideline to improve the company performance in the future. That's why the company's growth chart move in positive direction every year. Secondly, tips forming a good work team. Behind a successful business, there are also successful business people. Business people are not only manager or CEO, but also employees. Business growth is driven by both parties who have different work aspects. Although manager and employees have different career paths, both must be able to work as a team to create work harmony. Third tips producing quality product. It is undeniable that product quality is an important component in business development. This is why a business must be able to product quality to sell to consumers. Why is product quality so important? Because quality determines the economics life of product. If the product is automatically more durable and long lasting, product quality is increasingly needed in the modern era so that product can compete with other products. Fourth tip, expanding business network. Another way that a business can potentially grow is to expand its business network. As a leader, you need to do a thorough business strategy refresh. If the strategy used is still very simple, develop the strategy to be more complex for the sake of business progress. For example, doing marketing expansion by opening an online purchasing service so that it is easier for consumers to get the product they want. Fifth tips, looking for as many investors as possible. It is undeniable that the existence of investors will determine the growth rate of a business. Companies that manage to get a lot of investors will automatically grow faster because the capital needed is sufficient to expand their business. This is why business people are attract investor attention. Okay, this conclusion, the business that is involved does not expect the targets to be achieved. Therefore, don't forget to set target as a benchmark for business growth. If the target has not been achieved, it is also easier for you to evaluate and design new strategies in business.
Thank you for your attention guys. I hope this presentation has given us new insight on the business progress in company.